Well, welcome back, fellow YouTubers, toy and toy train buffs, to another running session out here in the cave. This is a bit unusual running session in that it's not on the Milwaukee Northwestern layout, but is rather a vintage toy train, battery operated, featuring the Flintstones. This toy was made by or for Woolworths back in 1980. You guys remember F.W. Woolworth's 5 and dime store? I certainly do. Got a lot of really cool toys from there when I was a kid. But this one here was a toy I would probably never have picked up because I was too old for it at that time. In 1980, I was still into HO scale model railroading, and something like this simply wouldn't have crossed my mind. But as a toy collector many years later, this fits in with my with another category of toys I collect, the Flintstones. Got a lot of Flintstones toys, including the Flintstones Marx playset from around 1962. I had one of those when I was a kid, and as an adult collector, I managed to put together another one. But anyway, we are talking about this battery-operated toy sold by Woolworths and copyright 1980. All right. I'm not going to move this thing around because I notice it works better in the position it's in right now. If I start moving it around on this platform, it tends to do wonky things. There is one spot here, right over there, that it sometimes get hung up on. So if you see me reaching in there and freeing it up, that's why. It's just the way it is. But let's watch this thing. Okay. Worked that time. I bet you your train can't do somersaults. Cool little toy. I like it. My take on it is Bedrock has added a new ride to their theme park. Well, alrighty then. Let's bring her on home. Yeah, there we go. Give Barney a rest. He must be dizzy doing all those somersaults. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like this. Just got it in the other day. I wasn't even sure it was going to work or if it was complete. I had never seen this set before. And I said, I need to add that to my my Flintstones collection. And I did. And it's a train. So at a fairly reasonable price, I picked up this vintage 1980 Woolworths Company Woolco Flintstones train set. Until next time, happy trading and bye, y'all.